Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com and it's time for another product quick view. Let's get to it. Today we're taking a look at OCC Optical Cable Corporation's part number DX006DALT9QRI2. Now this cable is ideal for industrial and other installations requiring a metal conduit. Interlocking preload armor may eliminate the need for conduit, reducing installation cost. As you can see, cable materials are indoor-outdoor rated for UV, water, and fungus resistant applications. Operating temperature of -40 Celsius to +85 Celsius. To order online, visit DiscountLowVoltage.com.